Mrs. Woolly Worm? Do you think it's Mrs. Woolly Worm? Or Mr. Woolly Worm?
Mr. Woolly Worm.
Mr. Woolly Worm? Okay. Oh.
He like him.
He likes to be petted? Easy, easy, easy. Oh. Oh.
You want to pet him?
Do you want me to pet him? Gently. Oh, yeah. Easy, easy. There you go.
He'll come back later.
You think so?
Yeah.
Do you think he can climb over my hand?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, look, he's going over like a big mountain.
Yeah.
He's climbing over the mountain. Climbing over the mountain.
He's climbing mine.
He's going to climb up your mountain now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He'll be gentle.
Yeah.
He's going to be gentle.
Here, let's see if he'll climb on your mountain.
Okay. He's going to climb.
There, now he's climbing up your arm. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look, he's so fun.
He's not a bug. He's a worm.
He's a woolly worm. Hello, woolly worm.
He tickled me.
I know.
He tickled me.
I
He
know.
tickled me.
Let's let him down. He might be getting scared.
He's getting scared.
Yeah. Oh, there.
He's
Okay, don't step on him.
okay.
Okay. Bye-bye, Mr. Woolly Worm.
Alright, we're going to the
Thanks
park.
for playing.
Playing.
Tell it bye.
Goodbye.
You gonna give it a kiss too?
Yeah.
Say no.